Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I installed this Sensational Vice Unit 10 wig. And I actually love this wig. The lace was a 10 for me. I like the color. I was a bit scared of it like when I first put it on, but I turned out to love it. I did my thing. So I'm going to be showing you guys how I installed it. So usually you guys don't see me do this step because I always do the ball cap method, but regardless of what method you do, it's always mandatory and essential to do this step. I'm just slicking my edges back right now so that I can prepare myself to put on this wig because I'm not doing the ball cap method today. So yeah, that's what I'm doing. I'm using edge control to do this step. So let's get into this wig. I got the Sensational Vice Unit 10 wig. It says HD lace pre-puck with baby hair. It did come with all those things, and those are the other colors that this wig came in. I did get a little bit of shedding. I mean, like, of course it's a synthetic wig. The overall construction of the wig is a T-part. So to begin, I start with my red lace tinting spray, and I just got into that lace tinting spray because I be watching a lot of TJ videos, and I'm using the Ebin Wonder Lace Bond and another lace glue of my choice to lay down my wig today. I can't really get into the sprays. I don't know how y'all be doing that. Like, I don't know. I can't get into it. So I'm applying a thin layer of the Ebin Lace Wonder Bond to my hairline in order to lay this wig down. And I use the other one to lay down the ear tabs, and I'm just smoothing that out. So to those of y'all who use like sprays and stuff to lay down y'all wigs, how do y'all do that? Like, I don't know. The first time that I ever really tried doing that, when I was like really teaching myself how to like lay a wig down, I got into like using the yellow Got2b glue spray. That's the only one that I could see working because it's really like strong. Any other one, like, I just can't. Like, it doesn't do it for me. This wig was under $40, and I actually do love it. I got this hair from Hair So Fly Shop. I actually love their company because they have like a lot of wigs that you don't find like anywhere else. And until I find another place that has like a different variety of wigs, I'm gonna stick beside Hair So Fly because why not? They got like a lot of good affordable wigs, and their shipping and delivery times are amazing. But this wig, it was just so, I don't know, like, I was pretty scared of it, like, when I first put it on, because this is a new color. Like, I never really tried anything like this before. And I must say, like, one side of the wig, it was better constructed than the other side. Like, this side right here, like, it was plucked already, and it didn't really have like that much baby hairs out, versus like the other side, like, it was given like, I don't know if you could see it, like, it was given like, you know, paternal, because it wasn't the same. But I love the other side of this wig. Overall, it was a good wig. It is a good wig, and I think you guys should get it if y'all are interested. And the texture of it, I noticed that a lot of other people who reviewed this wig, the other colors, like the blonde one is like a yaki texture, and then the other ones that have like colors like the pink, the purple, and the teal, they're more so like on the silkier side of like the synthetic fiber. But the black and blonde one is like more of a yaki texture, because I was watching like reviews on this wig before I bought it because I needed to know what I was getting myself into. And for me, I don't really like T-part wigs, but I've been trying to like get accustomed to them because, you know, you're not always gonna find like a good, you know, colored full frontal synthetic wig. So sometimes you just have to sacrifice and get like a T-part. As long as you know what you're doing, or, you know, if you're willing to practice, I recommend like getting a T-part wig. That way you're not wasting lace. So now I'm about to go with my wax stick. I got this wax stick from Amazon. I don't know the name of it. I got it from Amazon. So now I'm just using that, and I'm going in with my hot comb. So when I be hot combing my synthetic wigs, I be going in with the dial on a 5 or sometimes a 10. It doesn't burn. You just can't go higher than a 10. because then it's gonna burn. But I'm just hot combing my roots of the wig so that it could be flat and not giving wig. So the piece of lace that's right there in the front, I only cut it like that because when I put the wig on again, like I want to have like enough to like cut, that way like I don't have to like go too far back up. And sometimes like I notice if you do cut like too far back on the hairline, it takes away like the scalp effect of a wig. But I ended up blending it with some makeup, as you can see. So I hope you guys like this video. I hope you guys enjoy. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and turn on your post notifications when I upload another video. Bye.